In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify and claim your domain for Google Merchant Center. This process is essential if you're planning to list products and run ads effectively using Google's platform. It might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through every step of the way in a clear and straightforward manner. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite internet browser and head over to www.google.com retail. Once you're there, click on the sign in button and choose sign in to Merchant Center. This will take you into the heart of Google Merchant Center where all the magic happens. Next, look over to the left hand corner of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel. Click on business info in this panel and it should reveal a further set of options. From these you'll want to click on details. This is your jumping off point to ensuring that your online store is properly integrated. Once you are in the details section, search for the area titled Your Online Store. Here you'll notice an option to confirm online store link. Go ahead and give that a click. This is an important step that allows you to tie your Google Merchant account to your specific domain. Now you'll need to enter your online store URL. Double check that you've typed it correctly before moving on, as this URL is crucial for the verification process. You can either type in the URL manually or paste it if you have it copied from elsewhere. With your URL entered, the next decision is how you want to verify ownership of your domain. Google offers different verification methods, including adding a meta tag to your site, uploading a HTML file, or updating a TXT record with your domain name provider. Choose whichever option you're most comfortable with. Each has its own set of instructions, which Google provides to guide you through the process. Once you've settled on a verification method, follow the prompts that Google provides. You'll be clicking on a button labeled Verify when you're ready. Google will then go ahead and check your website against the information provided. Be sure to follow the instructions accurately and patiently wait while Google does its thing. After hitting verify, Google will proceed with examining your site, and if everything is in order, it will confirm your details. Following a successful check, your domain will officially be claimed. This essentially means you've proved ownership of the domain, and it's now linked with your Google Merchant account. Congratulations, your domain is now verified and claimed. This newly verified status allows you to start using Google Merchant Center to list your products and run ads, getting your items out there and visible to potential customers. Remember, having a verified domain not only enhances your credibility as a seller, but also strengthens your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.